Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today I'm sitting on this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. This is a new model for Sea Ray. So this used to be the 250 SLX. They rebranded, rebadged it, made it a little bit bigger, changed some things, and you can now get it with this outboard engine. So as we're back here on the transom, first thing I'll point out, it does have that white Mercury Verado. Great color option for this boat, going with the quantum blue hull side and then the gray interior, the stone interior if you will, and then that gray sea deck throughout. So as you can see back here, nice seating area, able to lounge out. I have some storage under this seat here, so if you wanted to throw some water toys, skis, anything like that, life jackets, you can fit that under this port side seat over here. And then I also have my ski tow pylon as well, which is nice, able to pull some skiers and some wakeboarders, have some fun, enjoy that time out on the water with your family and friends. Heading into the boat, you know, it's got that classic wraparound Sea Ray look. This is the SLX, so you get that nice diamond stitching on the seats. You can see the thicker foam, just very comfortable, very safe. You can see the way that when I sit in the seat, the back actually contours to my lumbar, which is very comfortable. I'll point out too, this is actually the first all-women design team for Sea Ray, which is awesome. You know, they thought about those little things that are just going to make it more comfortable for you and your friends and family enjoying that time out on the water. Moving forward, you can see we got the dual captain's chairs right there, storage under the seat. A thing for SLX as we head up to the helm here, it's going to come standard with your twin Simrad screens. Nice option because then you can kind of split the screens. You can have your maps on one side, engine data on the other side, or whatever you're comfortable as a captain. You got some storage for phones, cup holders. Everything's nicely appointed. And then your Mercury throttle control over there with the active trim and your start stop. Over here on the port side, nice head compartment. Freshwater sink down in there, vacuum flush head. One of the things I like that they did here too, this door actually has a magnet on there. So as it's open, it's going to get held open. That way you don't have to worry about that swinging shut if you're moving at any slow speeds or anything like that. Heading up into the bow. Again, Sea Ray focuses on seating, nice and comfortable. If I wanted to lay out here, I have armrests that come out. Cup holders are hidden away. The nice vinyl wrapped grab handles. Just again, with the SLX, it's just that attention to detail. It takes that Sea Ray brand to the next level with the luxury appointments. Just a very comfortable ride, very safe for your friends and family. Again, I'd like to thank you for taking this walkthrough of this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. My name's Bill Herr. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or you want to come and have some questions, you can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.